Just ignore the misspelling of yearly at the top. I was filming this at 3 in the morning, so now we click on the pie chart itself. So the entire pie chart is selected. We're going to right click and we're going to say Format Series. Format Series. And now this is where the fancy stuff comes in. We're going to click on Effects and we're going to add effects. Right now this is just a plain, fat, thick, ordinary pie chart, which anybody can do. So we're going to go right here where it says top bevel and you have a width. Right now my width is at 0 pixels. So I have 0 swing to it, so to speak. 0 radius. So we're going to jack that up. You saw I could go all the way to 1584. So I'm going to change that to 700. You can go higher if you want. You can go all the way to 1584 if you want. I'm going to change this to like 700 also, so they're the same. I need to change the width and the height both. Now see how I got that curve there? That little shiny curve? That's what we're looking for. Now I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. I'm going to go thicker. I'm going to go to 1000 because I can go all the way to 1584. And then I'm going to make this same number. Okay? You do not have to use the same numbers that I do, but change them because now your pie chart is going to be different than what anybody else can make. And now we're going to change the type of bevel that it is. So we're going to go one step further. You can see all the different designs of the bevel. And you just pick a design that you like. And now we're going to change the material that's made out of. So it gives it more of a different metal, gives it like a shiny appearance. See how my silver piece is shiny there? That's what we're looking for. Now we're going to, our lines are a little bit further away than what we intend to, and we're going to fix that. They won't be right on top of it, but they'll be close enough that you can tell where they're associated. And see right now that one box going around the whole thing, that's like the end of our pie chart. Now see how right now how I filled that in. I did a fill color and I changed it to gradient. And now you can see that my states are outside of that box. So I'm going to make that box bigger by clicking on it. And then I'm going to drag it to widen it out even further. There I go, there I go. And you have to do some playing. You have to do some playing to get this to work. I'm going to end up changing. I'm going to change my size of my font, of my title, to make it a little bit smaller so I can make this box even bigger. Now see how really Oregon just coming out just a little bit. Yearly sales is too big for me to work with now. So I'm going to make yearly sales smaller. Now I got some room. And now I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. Boom, get that Oregon in that box. Now I'm going to go even smaller. Don't go too small like that. By the way, I clicked off of it. I didn't make it a font size of 9. So I'm going to change my font style. Algerian was just a little bit too fancy. Okay, and now my state labels are inside that blue border box.